Alright, here we come to the elevators at the University parking garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. It's your Dover Impulse from 1991. Interesting that the COP is painted red. Man, it was fast for 4 floors. And look at the other elevator. The other elevator is broken. Listen to that sick buzzing. Dude, listen to that. That's a sick buzzer. See? They don't work. The 4 button lights up, but the others don't. I'm not gonna press the alarm. The buzzer is in the phone box. That is so sick and annoying. Look at this 3 button. Early version of Dover Impulse. See, that's an early version. That's newer Impulse. I can't believe I witnessed this. Indicator doesn't ring. 1. Let's watch on this side. You see into the shaft right there. Whoa, that stops so hard. This is one of the fastest elevators I've ever been on. There's your phone, your fixtures. Well, let's watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.